The fast, foolproof way to go from $0 up to $1,000 per day with dropshipping. Even if you're a complete beginner. Copy the exact model used by 6- and 7-figure dropshippers to unlock winning products, drive buyers to your products and build a life-changing business. The 3-phase dropship to wholesale system. This behind-the-scenes system is being used right now to explode online store revenue up to 6- and 7-figures plus. What is the 3-phase dropship to wholesale system? First, let me share why the traditional dropshipping model has got so many smart entrepreneurs stuck in a rut. And why all the dropshipping courses teaching the old method, the same method that worked just a few years ago, won't get you to $6 plus figure revenue today. You see, after record job losses from the pandemic, more people than ever have started dropshipping. The market is saturated with entrepreneurs who have learned the same old method. Which means they're all following an out-of-date blueprint. Because the old method leaves out key information that is critical to building an up to $100,000 plus e-commerce business today. And online sellers are left scrambling to compete with each other over the same products. Dropship to wholesale system so you can find winning products and world-class suppliers faster than the competition. The ONLY training that will guide you every step of the way to a 6+ figure business that works today. Which is why we created the e-commerce accelerator, the 3-phase dropship to wholesale system plus insider software. This is the ONLY system that gives you the step-by-step instructions plus all the tools, resources, and connections you need to accelerate your online store up to $1,000 plus per day. Dropship to wholesale system so you can find winning products and world-class suppliers faster than the competition. Click the link in description below to access this page.